Denied. Now, nobody wins. Behold!
Coming through. I'm in a hurricane.
3 for 1. More for your money.
Thunderous applause.
Run. I don't mind. Up in smoke.
Entrapped. You're not going anywhere.
Hi-ya! I wonder what this does.
Sprout! Sprout!
Let me lance that for you.
So cold. It burns. A healing hand.
Curse you!
Hold your tongue.
Blood!
Lost! Drunkenness, you bring sorcery from sky? Zeus, you bring the lightning. I'll bring the thunder. I'll expect you to be on your best behavior, Chaos Knight. Let us work to see you avenged. Frost upon us. Spike. Grow a spine. Look at it go. Casket, heads up.
If the light cannot escape me, what hope have you? Beat down.
Your heart slows. Best fiends forever.
Didn't like the sound of that?
Fist or fit? Why resist?
Weak sauce.
That's of the old magic.
Edict of death. Quickly, sprint, faster.
Combine and conquer.
Excuse me while I cook this guy. Stay where you are.
Gusta's mandate of impetuous strife.
My mind blots yours out. Watch me, you feel. What are you doing here, lion?
Heart disappointment.
Silence afflict thee.
Coming through. Juggernaut!
Moonlight shadow conceal us.
The waters are teeming.
A decoy. A decoy. Ha!
If you can see me, you're already dead. Into the shadows.
Boom! Headshot! You got peeped!
Phantom Assassin, you're not here for me, are you?
The eclipse is upon you.
Damn, I've lost the scent.
Help us shatter them, Spirit Breaker.
Holy shit, it's Viper! To battle!
Shadow Shaman, my old friend!
I kill my enemies first.
Your power is mine.
Fear my presence.
I sense a connection between us.
Missed him. Sealed your fate.
The Phantom strikes.
Green is your color.
Curses, curses.
My belly burns with hunger. Ain't you a tall tree?
Impressive stinger, Saki. Very sharp, yes.
Guess my head's not worth enough for you, Gondar.
Stone cold heart.
My kind of man. Chaos Dunk! By the shattered helm! Bow down! Can I hold on to this? This must be mine.
Everything shrieking.
Ramming speed!
Be my eyes. Into a rage I fly. The spring is sprung.
Pious footsteps!
You are spear-worthy.
Hold your nose.
Is brawling time!
This will hurt you more than it does us. Iboka, you cast All Slash.
Okay, Prophet, I don't think we can be friends.
I'll split that cake with you when we're through. All good. Care to make a friendly wager? I step at last onto the terrain plane. Tusk, let's bowl them over. Show your worth. Prove yourself.
Fresh meat. Look to the foe.
Think of it as caviar. Where'd everybody go?
I don your entrails.
Fear quiets magic.
my hunger.
Stunning, isn't it? Back off! Bah! More bah!
Does it end, Death Prophet? I could show you the meaning of pain, O Queen. Stick with me, Leshrac, and we'll go far. Come, friend. Let us fill their souls with terror.
Ooh, yeah! If I had maracas right now, I'd be doing whatever you do with maracas right now, because that was a really long time. Not that many females in this Dota game. My voice is just a little bit hoarse. As always, guys, I do appreciate you watching my videos. Hope this was entertaining for y'all. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Peace out, y'all. Have a good, whatever.